5 Cosori Air Fryer 6 Qt Turboblaze 2026. Let's dive into the details. Number 5. 6-quart air fryer with 9 functions and 100 liners. Meet your new kitchen MVP. The 6-quart Turboblaze Air Fryer with 9 in 1 versatility. Air fry, roast, bake, broil, dehydrate, and more. So you can cook smarter, not harder. Its 5-speed airflow system delivers perfectly even results every time, while cooking up to 46% faster than older models. Plus, step-by-step visual guides and a full online recipe library make pro-level cooking simple, even for beginners. Included are 100 non-stick, waterproof liners that fit your basket perfectly, no folding needed, protecting it from mess and scratches for effortless cleanup. Safe for ovens and microwaves too. They're ideal for everything from weeknight dinners to holiday feasts. Just remember, never use liners during preheating and always weigh them down with food. Game changer? Absolutely. Number 4. 9 in 1 air fryer with ceramic coating, 6 Qt. Meet your new kitchen MVP, the 9 in 1 air fryer with ceramic coating. With Turboblaze technology, it cooks lightning fast, perfect for busy weeknights. From air frying crispy wings to dehydrating apple chips, its 9 versatile functions replace your oven, microwave, and dehydrator. The 6-quart capacity fits family-sized meals without hogging counter space, while the non-stick, dishwasher-safe basket makes cleanup effortless. Enjoy golden, juicy results with up to 95% less oil, guilt-free flavor every time. Plus, a built-in recipe book with nutrition facts helps you eat smarter. Whether you're reheating leftovers or proofing dough, this air fryer delivers delicious, healthy meals with ease. Number 3. Amazon's top overall pick. Meet your kitchen's new MVP. Amazon's top overall pick air fryer, engineered for crisp, juicy meals with up to 95% less oil. Powered by Turboblaze technology, it reaches 450 degrees Fahrenheit and spins at 3,600 revolutions per minute for fast, even cooking. The spacious 6-quart ceramic-coated basket fits family-sized portions, resists scratches, and is dishwasher safe. With 5 fan speeds and precise temperature control, it delivers perfect texture every time, all while operating quietly, less than 53 dB. Choose to preheat or skip it, your call. Plus, enjoy a bonus 30-recipe cookbook curated by chefs and dietitians. Faster, healthier, and easier. This air fryer transforms dinner into a delicious, guilt-free experience. Number 2. 18 in 1 multi-cooker with air fry, steam, and bake. Meet your kitchen's new MVP, the 18 in 1 multi-cooker with air fry, steam, and bake. From fluffy rice to crispy air-fried favorites, it does it all. 18 functions in 1 sleek appliance. Thanks to smart fuzzy logic, every grain comes out perfect, while the 24-hour delay timer means fresh meals on your schedule. Need dinner fast? The Turboblaze Air Fryer cooks up to 46% faster, with even results from its 5-speed airflow. Whether you're slow-cooking soups, baking bread, or reheating leftovers, this powerhouse handles it effortlessly. Plus, step-by-step guides and a full recipe library help you cook like a pro. No experience needed. 1 pot, endless possibilities. Number 1. Silicone Air Fryer Liners. 8-pack, BPA-free and secure fit. Tired of messy air fryer baskets and flimsy liners that shift or burn? Our 8-pack of BPA-free silicone air fryer liners solve it all. With ultra-strong magnetic edges, they snap securely into place. No more slipping, lifting, or fire risks, even at temps up to 662 degrees Fahrenheit. Made from food-grade silicone, they're odor-free, heat-resistant, and safe for direct food contact. Perfect for magnetic baskets. Not compatible with aluminum or stainless steel, they install in seconds and remove cleanly, preserving your parchment for easy reuse. Rinse or wipe clean. They stay durable, scratch-resistant, and ready for your next crispy masterpiece. Say goodbye to scrubbing and hello to effortless, worry-free air frying. So, that sums up my 5 Cosori Air Fryer 6 Qt Turboblaze. I hope you enjoyed this review. Remember, you can find the prices of the products in the description, so make sure to check those out. Until next time,